Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Mr. Ironstone brand, the rolling cart, 3-tier metal utility cart with wheels and handles. It's a storage organizer for bathroom, kitchen, and office. This is the black color. You can see the parts in front of you right here. Comes in the box, and there are letters associated on the plastic. And you want to organize little piles of the nuts and bolts and the wheels and all the components. They do have a diagram in the manual that shows you what you're going to be getting, and make sure you get all the parts before you start to assemble the unit. So the first thing they tell you to do is to install these 2 crossbars using each one of these pieces that are included and these screws. So you put the screw into one end over here, and then this rotates in here, and you just hand tighten it. Then you put the other screw on this side. After you hand tighten it, then you can use the included tool. I'm going to tighten that side there first. And then this side. So that's what it looks like on that one side there. Then you repeat it for this side here. So now I completed the other side. That's what it looks like. Now we're going to add 4 number C's. I'm going to turn it by hand, and if you want to tighten it down using this wrench, and these are going to go into these top threaded sections that we just attached together. So just turn it by hand initially, and then use that included wrench to tighten it down. And you want to do that for all 4 of them. And that's what it looks like with all 4 of them on there. Now you add the first basket, lining up the holes and pushing it through. Now you add 4 of the connecting rods, which are threaded to accept that bolt. And you do that for all 4 of them. And that's what it looks like after you have all 4 of them on there. Now on the tops where they're threaded, you're going to put those 4 screws on there, just like you did first on the first section right there. And you put them in by hand initially. Then you're going to use the wrench to tighten them again, just like you did before. And that's what it looks like with all 4 of them on there. Now you put on the next shelf by placing it, lining it up with those bolts, just like that. Now you add the remaining 4 sections on these and tighten them, and tighten it clockwise like that. And that's what it looks like after you've got all 4 of them on there. Now you add the top shelf, and you're going to be using the included cap screws to screw into the threaded pieces on there. That's going to be this top final section, and now it's on there. And you could use this curved piece of the included wrench to do the final tightening of them, but now they're attached with those nice decorative caps on there. Now we're going to place the top handle like that, and we're going to use the included tool, and we're going to use these special screws that were included, which are number E. So you see I'm tightening them down using that included little hex wrench on there like that. And that's what it looks like after you've mounted that top handle on there. Now I have it turned upside down, and it's time to install the included wheels. They have a threaded bolt on them that goes through the hole right there, and on the other side is this included cap nut that's going to hold this in place. Now 2 of these wheels have locks, so I'd recommend you put a lock wheel here, and on the opposite side you put another lock wheel, and that way it's on opposite sides. You want to use the included hex wrench to tighten them down, going clockwise, just like that. It holds it nicely in place. So there, all the wheels are on, and you see I've got the locking wheels on opposite sides, and it rolls really nicely. So there's the finished product. Wasn't too hard to assemble, took me about 20 minutes, and it rolls really nice. And you can see that you've got the 3 full tiers of storage, and you can use this anywhere you like. The company provides a 1-year warranty on this product. I'm going to use it in my garage to hold tools while I'm working on my cars. This could be used anywhere in your kitchen, laundry room, bedroom, anywhere you need some nice storage of 3 relatively large areas. And because it's opened up with a grate, it allows whatever you put there to breathe. So you don't have to worry about mold or anything. So that's really nice. So I was going to use this in the garage, but my wife saw it and she really liked it. She said it was the perfect thing to clear off my night table so that I could put all my diabetic wound supplies on here and roll it around when I need it. So I'm going to have to get another one for what I was going to use in my garage, but that's okay. It cleared off the night table quite nicely. It looks nice too. So what do I think about this Mr. Ironstone brand? Their rolling cart 3-tier metal utility. I like this. It was easy to assemble and everything aligned real nicely. Nothing was misaligned, so I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to alert to new video uploads. And if you like this review, please hit the like button. I hope the information I presented helped you with all your buying decisions. Thank you for watching.